everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we have Zhiyun Crane 2S Pro Kit vs Dji Ronin S2 Pro combo for a test and comparison to find out which one is right for you and for your next creative project. The Zhiyun Crane 2S and the Ronin RS2 are two professional gimbal systems that can be operated single-handedly. They offer a lot of the same benefits. Here is what you should know to help you decide which one is right for your kind of shooting. We're going to touch on some of the Zhiyun Crane 2S and Dji Ronin RS2. So, we will do a few tests to see between these two gimbals about the design, the stability, the autonomy, the image transmitter system and the tracking mode to see which one is better and in which scenarios. We tested the two gimbals with the same camera and with the same lens for a fair comparison. The first category in our comparison is the design of those two gimbals. The Dji Ronin S2 has a carbon fiber design and it also allows for heavier payloads up to 4.5 kilograms. Dji RS2 also has a more ergonomic overall look and feel, which round a gimbal that is lighter, supports heavier cameras and is easy than ever to use. The Zhiyun Crane 2S carbon fiber finish gives it a good feel and the grip is easy to hold. Well, I'd say the body of the Crane 2S speaks for itself. It's sturdy, solid and simply well built. The system is compatible with all modes of DSLR and mirrorless camera, so you shouldn't have to worry about whether your camera will fit the rig. So, the point for the design goes on both two gimbals. The second category is our comparison is the stabilization of those two gimbals. A gimbal is all about stabilization, and the Crane 2S is rock solid in that department. The motor will be compensated for any mirror error and there is balancing the camera in terms of slack, which is great bonus. The Crane 2S is primary for larger cameras and lenses as there seems to be plenty of room to keep the camera from booming into the motor. The RS2 comes with a brand new stabilization algorithm called Titan. This new evolution of stability offers incredibly smooth results and an additional level of stability with Super Smooth, which can be activated for increased motor ability and torque. Overall, we found that the stabilization between those two gimbals worked quite well. There is an auto-tune feature on both two gimbals where the gimbal balances itself and we found it worked pretty well. So, the point for the stabilization goes on both two gimbals. The third category is the autonomy of those two gimbals. The Crane 2S is outfitted with three removable 18615 Li-ion batteries which offer a 12 hours runtime. For time-demanding tasks, videographers can easily prolong the runtime of the gimbal with backup batteries. The Ronin S2 is outfitted with the BG13 grip, which offers a max runtime of 12 hours and can charge independently from Dji RS2. Fast charging enables 2 hours of runtime with just a 15-minute charge, so the point for the autonomy goes on both two gimbals. The fourth category is the image transmitter system of those two gimbals. The Ronin S2 is outfitted with the Riven Eye that can transmit full HD video from up to 200 meters while giving you remote control of camera parameters. The Zhiyun with Trans-Mount Image Transmission System 2 focus pullers will be able to focus and zoom while live monitoring the shots. Even more, they will also be able to change gimbal parameters and modes if it needed. Here, the point for the image transmitter system goes only to Zhiyun Crane 2S because it has the big advance for each transmitter can send out Wi-Fi signals to up to 3 devices. For scenarios where director, client and focus puller are on the same side, each can have the our wireless monitoring controlling device like professional monitors or simply with their phones or tablets. The fifth category is the tracking system of those two gimbals. The Ronin RS2 can display your live camera view of potential subjects when using Active Track 3 in tandem with the Ronin smartphone app. Active Track requires the new Revenai system, which is sold separately to work. The Crane 2S teamed up with Smart Follow 2 and allows precise object tracking with no need of balancing your phone onto a camera or gimbal. Simply box the wanted object via phone screen and let the gimbal and camera do the rest. Smart Follow 2 empowers you to work with super flexibility, either you work alone or in a team. So, the point for the tracking system goes to Ronin S because to all my tests didn't lose the target. With Crane 2S I lost sometimes the target, but for me the tracking isn't so important for my kind of shooting. If you are really honest, those two gimbals are perfect and produce great results as long as you know how to use them. Both of two gimbals are a perfect tool for the filmmaker. We enjoyed our time better using the Zhiyun Crane 2S Pro Kit. The gimbal doesn't feel tacky and its modest weight gives the mechanism a sturdy feel. From the other side, Dji Ronin S2 Pro Combo is a very good gimbal, also with very good quality. But Zhiyun Crane 2S Pro Kit cost $850 and Dji Ronin S2 Pro Combo cost $999. With $150 less, you can have Zhiyun Crane 2S Pro Kit, the same gimbal as a Dji Ronin S2 Pro Combo with more accessories and features. Thank you for watching. If you liked today's video, hit the subscribe button to see videos like this. Bye!